In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to change the starting folder in Microsoft Outlook. This means when you open Outlook, you can choose which folder you want to see first. Let's get started by opening Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look at the top left of the window. You'll see a tab called File. Click on it. After you click File, a new screen appears. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of options. Click on Options near the bottom of that list. A small window will now pop up called Outlook Options. From the list on the left side of this window, click on Advanced. Now look to the right side of the window. Scroll down a bit until you find a section called Outlook Start and Exit. In this section, you'll see a setting that says Start Outlook in this folder. Next to it, there's a Browse button. Click that. Now you will see a list of folders from your Outlook account. You can pick the folder you want Outlook to open to each time you launch it. For example, if you want to start in the Sent Items folder, just click on it. Or if you prefer to see your calendar first, you can select that instead. After you choose your folder, click OK. You'll be taken back to the Outlook Options window. Click OK again to close it and save your settings. Now you can close and reopen Outlook to test it. That's all you need to do. Thanks for watching.